Today we want to arrange these letter sounds to sequence them in these empty boxes, just like the way I have written here. So I have PP1 learners here, but only a few. They are going to use these cards to arrange here on this manila paper, to arrange them nicely in order from A up to Z. But before we start, can we meet the learners first? What is your name?
My name is Talia.
You are Talia. And you?
Damian.
Damian. And you?
Dalia.
Dalia. Don't mind them. They are 51 learners. They are still young and shy. So we want to arrange these cards. Sawa sawa. Now you come. We arrange them. Come. 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 Aya. We start with which one? Let me put them where you can see them. Talia, we start with which one? Here? We start with? You help her to look for A. A. We have found A. Yes. Now A. After A, we put here which one?
Boo.
Which one?
Boo.
Let's look for it. Let's look for B. Let's look for B. It's B. Then the next one. The next one here. Say louder.
K.
K. Let's look for K. K. Good. Then the next one is
D.
D. Let's look for D. D. Then the next one is?
E.
The next one is?
E.
Let's look for A. Let's look for A. Let's look for A. Let's look for A. A. Then the next one is? Look for F. Have you found F? Have you found F? You have found F. Good. Then the next one is, here is?
G.
Is?
G.
G. Let's look for G. Let's look for G. G. Good. Then the next one?
H.
You look for?
H.
Let's look for her. Have you found it? Yes. Then the next one?
E.
Let's look for E. You found it? Yes, E. Then the next one?
G.
J. Let's look for J. Have you found it? J. Good. Then the next one is? Which one? Which one? Which one? Look for the next one. Is which one? The next one is which one? E, J, then K. You're looking for K. You're looking for K. Have you seen it? Yes. K. Then after K, then E, J, K, L. Let's look for L. Good. Then here. Here. K. E, J, K, L. Then here is Good. The next one. The next one is. The next one is. The next one is which one? Let's look for it. And the next one? The next one is? O. O. Search for O. We have found it. The next one is? P. P. The next one? Search for it. The next one? The next one is? Search for it. Search for it. It's just here. Search for it. It is just here. Good. Then the next one is S. The next one is S. 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 And the next one is
T.
The next one is
T.
T. The next one is T. And the next one? The next one is?
A.
A. A for umbrella. A for umbrella. A for umbrella. Look for it. Look for it. Look for it. Look for it. A for umbrella. Good. And the next one is? Look for. Good. The next one is? The next one? The next one is? And the next one? E. And the last one is? Is? The next one is? Wow! Can you clap for yourself? Well done. Well done, well done. Take your color. Another color. Marvelous. Now I want you to read for me all the sounds. You read for me. You read louder.
Yes.
You read louder.
Yes.
Start A.
A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, S, T, A, M, U, X, Y, Z.
Say, good. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Till the next video, guys. It's bye-bye.